Hi YouTube, my name is Missy Jolie. I want to welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. This is a new channel I'm creating. This channel will basically be about juicing, about eating healthy and taking care of our body. As a human being, we should be taking care of our body internally. That's what I believe. 2014, I started taking care of myself. I started juicing, exercise, and I started doing it all, you guys. I was researching to see what can I do to take care of my body, because I wanted to take care of my body physically and internally. But with life, with kids and work, and I stopped along the way. And a lot of times that's what we do. We stop taking care of ourselves. We taking care of everything else. We taking care of the bills. We taking care of the kids. We taking care of nanny, daddy, and we start taking care of ourselves. So now I decided to start taking care of me again. The reason why I want to be an example for my kids as they're growing up. I want to be the example for them, the person they can look up to see what can they do to be a knowledge for them. Another reason why I start juicing, guys, because you are what you eat. You eat better now. 10 years down the road, you will feel better and look great. And who doesn't want to look good and feel good? I know I do. Let's go, guys. Let's do this together. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's go and grow this generation. Let's be a better example for this generation to teach them how to eat better and take care of ourselves. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.